Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make some meringue mess with some fresh fruit and cream. This is a nice special treat, a nice sweet one for everybody. So we have some strawberries and I have kiwis, I just peeled mine. We have some whipped cream and we have some meringue mess. But before we do our cooking, you know we need to go and wash our hands. So what we're going to do is we are going to break up some meringue mess. I'm going to take 4 out of this pack and you are literally going to catch them with your 2 hands and you are going to crumble it in like this into the bowl. They are really light, they break up very easily, and this is why you really need to ensure your hands are washed because you're handling a lot of food in this. Okay, so crumb them up like this. Doesn't matter about size, whatever way it works. After the crumbs, because next we are going to cut up our fruit. So I decided to put kiwis and strawberries into mine because it's a nice colourful mix, the green and the red. So I've peeled my kiwi, so I'm just going to chop it up. Our strawberries. So we take off the little leaf at the top and we cut just that size is enough, I think. Just put the leafy bits out of our way. We're going to put them into our bowl of kiwi and meringue. Now we'll just bring it in near us. So next we're going to get our whipped cream. We're probably going to use all of this. And I'm going to use my spatula and I'm going to scoop it out and put it in here. I'll go with this much first and see how we get on. And you just fold in all the mixture together. Take some more cream and we just mix it all up. Don't worry if any falls out of the bowl. And there we go. A yummy, scrunchy dessert. I have decided to put my mix into some glasses because it's nice to see what's inside in the meringue mess, or you can also use bowls. It really doesn't matter what you use. So I'm going to take 1 glass and I'm going to fill up my mix in there. Of my hand, and here we have our 4 glasses of meringue mess with fresh fruit and cream, and you can serve them with a teaspoon in each one and enjoy.